Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve LeetCode Daily Challenge. The question name is find numbers with even number of digits. So over here we have given one array of nums which consisting of integers only, and our task is to return the number of values where the total count of digit is even. So let's understand the question more clearly with this example test case. So over here we have given one array nums, and it has 12, 345, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6. So we have to count the digits of each individual number, and if it is even, then we can increment our answer variable or answer variable value, and if it is odd, then we can just continue. So 12 consisting of 2 digit, so our count become 1. 345 consisting of 3 digit, so our count remain 1 only because it is odd. Then 2 consisting of 1 digit, so again it is odd. 6 again odd. 7, 8, 9, 6 consisting of 4 digits, so it is even. So therefore our answer is 2 because we have only 2 even digits, 12 and 7, 8, 9, 6, right? Similarly over here in example test case 2 we have 555, 901, 482, 1771. So only one digit is there, only one number is there which consisting of even digits. So 1 is the answer. So it is pretty much straightforward question and of yeah, because it is of easy type. So we can directly implement it using brute force, and constraints are also very less. So what we can do, we can declare one answer variable. Initially its value is 0. Then we have defined one function which will count the number of digits present in each number of the array. So over here in this function we are declaring one variable count for storing the number of digit of a number. Then over here in a while loop we are dividing number on each iteration by 10 and incrementing our count, and at the end we are returning the count value. So let me explain you how this is working or how it is counting the number of digits. So for example, uh, if okay, let's go to the notes. Let me remove it from here. And for example, we have digit 1 2 3, right? 1 2 3 4 5. So when we divide it by 10 ones, then our value is equal become 1 2 3 4, and our count become equal to 1, right? Similarly, in the next iteration 1 2 3 it became, and count become equal to 2. Then on next iteration it become 1 2 and count become equal to 3. Then on next iteration it become 1 1 and count become equal to 4, and the next iteration it become 0 and count become equal to 5. So at the end we are returning count value which is 5 and which is equal to the number of digits, right? It is pretty much simple logic. So yeah, so and after that we are checking whether that count value is multiple of 2 or not, and if it is multiple of 2 we are incrementing our answer variable, and at the end we are returning our answer. So let me run this code. Let me submit it. Okay, it got submitted. So I hope you understand the solution of approach of this question. Thank you.